Question 32. Not all interesting discoveries have an obvious application. If you believe you have something, but you're not sure what exactly it's going to be good for, don't give up. Many innovations languished in labs for years until they were matched to a product. Teflon, an extremely slippery synthetic substance employed as a coating on cooking utensils, was invented in 1938, but it didn't coat its first pan till 1954. The Post-it note was built on the back of some not very good glue. Its inventor believed it might have value, but it took him 5 years to find a potentially profitable use for it. HP had a breakthrough with a super-accurate thermometer that was created in the HP labs. Despite its accuracy, there was no clear use for the device until it was used to measure fluctuations in ocean temperature.